Hello, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are. This is my bathroom. It's been like this for 2 weeks. I left it like this for 2 weeks because of this video. I wanted to make a video for you guys using Dawn dish soap that I use to clean my bathroom. See that? Do you see that? Yeah, that's how filthy my bathroom is. And this is the glass door. The glass door. That's how it looks like. So let's get to work and scrub it out. I will start by cleaning everything from the bathroom. I have my mask because of allergies, so I'm just covering my mouth and my nose because my house is dusty and the doors and my kids keep going out, in and out, so I'm covering my mouth and nose so that I don't sneeze. Yeah, so I'm cleaning out everything in my bathroom before I start scrubbing. Yes, start scrubbing inside. I'm using Dawn as usual. Dawn. You see it there? And then you start getting to work. It was not easy to clean. It was dirty. I regret leaving it for long. I always wash it after 3 days. I clean it up, clean everything. But this is the first time I'm using this scrubber. I got the scrubber on Amazon. Yes, you got it right. I got the scrubber and the thing on Amazon. So yeah, that thing was wasting my time. So you will see where I use the thing to clean up, but I had to remove it and start cleaning with my hands. My hands was going very fast. So yes, so far so good. So just keep watching. Again, bringing Dawn. Oh my god, I didn't tell you, this video is not sponsored by Dawn. I'm just showing you what I'm using. But if you like to get Dawn, get it on Amazon. They have a discount right now. You can get as many as you like. I'll leave a link down below so that you get your own Dawn. Yes, that one is done. No, now I'm going on the glass door. Let's keep scrubbing. So this is the pack on how this thing is coming. It's coming in. They have so many scrubbers in there and the tool for cleaning. So yes, I'm getting a new one to clean the glass door. Okay, keep watching. So at this point, after wetting your thing, you wash it well, and then now you go down with the other side of the tool, and just like you wash the windshield of your car. Yes, that's how you wash your glass door, and it comes out nicely and neatly. I loved it. My door is still clean, and it's been 2 days. I don't know how to polish it. I will find out on how to polish the glass so that it doesn't get dirty quickly. All right. And then on the outer side, you have to wash both sides, right? In and out. Clean it in and out. And this is the outer side. So let's get cleaning. I will never keep it this long. So yeah, it didn't come out clean enough as I wanted it, but it's okay. I'm scrubbing it again tomorrow and again the following day until it gets spotlessly clean. All right, keep watching this particular video. I don't know how it's recorded. It's recorded slow motion, so I tried to put it fast, and this is how it came out. But I loved it, because if you hear the scrubbing and my voice in there, ooh, so cool. Let's clean up. And then now the metal shelves. Yeah, this one was a tough one too, because it was just there and it was collecting. It's rusted. If you like it, you can get it down below. The link will be down below. This is the finished product. The finished work. Down there, it didn't come out clearly, nicely, but yes, I'm finished, because I left it for 1.5 weeks. I wanted it to get dirty so that I wash it. I don't know what to wash it with, but everything is neatly done. I want to put this back here. The first one goes back here. I got this on Amazon. If you want the link, it will be down in the description box. It's just stick on. You put it on your wall, and then you stick for your shampoo. But it rusts. It has rust, so that's why I had to take it out and put it, wash it, and then put it back. You see, the rust did come out nicely there. And look at my nails. My nails have been, I didn't even use any gloves. My nails are still good. It tried, like, This is why I like to use Dawn. Look what Dawn is doing to my nails. Perfect, and my hands are still also perfect. So perfect. I use Dawn for everything, even for washing clothes. When I want to wash clothes with my hands. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at the door. Look at the door. Now I want to wash this one. The bathroom, the toilet, the bathtub, my mirror, everything. I want to do something on the mirror though.